Good morning, guys. So it's our last morning with this view. We are officially leaving the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm so sad. It's really nice here. Like, the beach club's my favorite, but I'm actually sad about leaving today because we never got to go to the pool, which was disappointing. We had dinner at Snail last night, which was really good. We had, I can't remember the names of things, but we had a delicious appetizer and a chicken dish for our main entree. We had the bread service, which was really, really good, and also an awesome dessert. So it sounds like they're starting to take care of the lawn here, so it might get noisy. But anyway, we're headed back to Universal, and I guess I'll catch up with you guys later because that's gonna get really annoying really fast. Okay, the one thing that I wanted to remember, because the last time I shared our vlog with you yesterday, I was like taking note of all the things to remind myself of in regards to Universal Studios. Parking is $26 a day. $26 a day, and we're going 3 days. So for me, that's another reason to stay in a Universal resort. Like, as I'm doing the math while I'm here, even though I had a really great discount on my park passes, I spent a ton of money and a ton of wasted time by staying off property. Although, again, I love it here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and I had DVC points I needed to use, so like that's just the way it worked out this time. But to my future self and to you guys, definitely stay on site. It just makes the most sense for so many different reasons. And I can always help you if you guys are new watching this for the first time. I'm a travel agent, specialize in Disney and Universal, so that's like what I do. So I don't know if I should be talking about all the things that I've done wrong, but you know, you live and learn. But that's it. I am headed to Universal for the day, our last day. We're gonna do all the Harry Potter stuff, and I'm really excited for it, and I'll bring you guys along. You excited to go on Hagrid's motorbike?
Yes.
Yeah? Only a 90-minute wait. Going down. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Imagine any of you have seen a real unicorn, or a blast-ended screw for that matter. I reckon.
Oh, it's
At the 3 broomsticks finally for some lunch. Alright, I got the beef pasties and Madison got the mac and cheese, and of course we got our butterbeer. Cheers! Lots of fun and stuff too. Yeah.
I'm out of medium bag, so.
Yep. Got our butterbeer ice cream. Yeah, looks really good. You got it, Madison. It follows the direction of the line. That's very neat.
Okay guys, we've been here at Universal all day. And we're cleaning out our ice cream cups that we got from, what's the name of the place? I can't, Madame Fortescue ice cream or something.
Fortescue's ice cream parlor.
Yes. So we got
That's what the logo
the souvenir cups. We're having a great day. We're doing all the Harry Potter things. We've done everything except Gringotts, which currently had like a 120-minute wait, right? Now it's 95 minutes. We're not doing that.
Yeah.
Hagrid's, we waited for over 2 hours. We thought 90 minutes was insane. We did over 2 hours. So worth it. So worth it.
Hagrid's was so
Oh my gosh, it was insane. But anyway, talk more about it later. We're here with friends. We're gonna do a little bit more shopping, a little bit more doing the spells, and then we're gonna be headed to the beach club.
Yay!
We'll see you guys later.
And then the Disney adventure begins.
Yes. Alright guys, so we are back from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and I thought we would quickly show you what we ended up picking up. We didn't do a lot of shopping there, but what we did get I think is pretty cool, so I just wanted to take a few minutes to share that with you. I'll show you guys my favorite thing first.
The Honeydukes cooler bag.
The Honeydukes cooler bag. This was like a last minute purchase because we ended up buying the chocolate frogs. And I was so concerned with them melting that I decided to go ahead and spend, I think it was like $12 on this cooler bag. And now that I have it, I'm in love with it. Like, I want to use it for all of the things. It's so cute. It's insulated inside, and we just kept our frogs in there. We have one more frog that Madison opened up already. Why are you
ASMR?
That's ASMR. And then we also got, this is cool, it's like a quill lollipop, and obviously we got all of this stuff from Honeydukes, and they said when you wet the bottom it actually does right. So I thought that was super cool. And then we went to, where did we go for ice cream?
We
Madame
went to
Fortescue or something?
Florin Fortescue. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Oh, it's on here?
Florin Fortescue.
Florian Fortescue's ice cream. And the ice cream came...
parlor.
Ice cream parlor. And the ice cream came in these really cute glasses.
Well, you had to get the glasses with it.
Yeah. Yeah. It could,
You need to like pay extra for
it's like
the
you get a
glasses.
cone or you get it in a souvenir cup. Those were your two options. And I did not want to eat out of a cone because there was a torrential downpour going on at the time that we got our ice cream. So I wanted to take it to go in a cup, which is what we did. And it was delicious ice cream. We got the butterbeer ice cream. It was so good.
Really good.
It was really good.
100% recommend.
Yes. All of the butterbeer was amazing. And then, of course, show them your big purchase of the day.
Wait, quick ASMR again.
Why are you being so weird? Okay.
Okay.
I did not expect Madison to get this wand.
There's a little map.
Yep, it comes with a map that shows you all of the places that you can use your interactive wand, which is cool.
You guys ready? Take it out. I'll show you guys the wand.
Tell them whose it is.
Peter Pettigrew.
Peter Pettigrew's wand, and it has a cool snake on it. Very cool.
Like curvy.
It's one of my favorites. It was really a neat wand. So we did lots of spells and stuff with it throughout our days in Universal. And I, of course, got a, don't poke my eye out. I got a Slytherin keychain, and I had this like hooked on my green backpack the whole time, so I thought that was very appropriate. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. There we go with the snake on it. So that was my big purchase, as well as this was super fun. So if you get postcards from any of the shops in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, what you can do is take it to both Hogsmeade and to Diagon Alley, and they will stamp it for you on the back. So I took it to both places, and you can see I got all of the postcards stamped, and then the postcards are just like all of these amazing different pictures of things in the Wizarding World. So I thought that was a great, not only like souvenir, but something fun that you can share with someone. Like if you wanted to send a postcard to a friend from your trip, for them to receive this and have both of the postage stamps on the back, I thought was really a fun thing. And they do that for free. It's not an additional fee to go ahead and have the stamps put on there for you. So that was just a fun part of the trip as well. And I think that's everything. Oh.
I'm literally pointing at my t-shirt. She's like, I think that's everything.
All right, so Madison got a Gryffindor Quidditch t-shirt.
So it says Gryffindor and number 7. And then when you turn around on the back, it says Potter. Can they see the back?
They can see it. Yep, it says Potter on the back. This was actually something that Madison wanted really bad for Christmas, and I could not find it anywhere. So when we found it at one of the shops in the Wizarding World, do you remember what shop it was?
It was the Quality Quidditch Supplies, I think.
Okay, yeah, I think you're right. So that's where we found it. That's also where I got my keychain, I think, because everything was all about like the Quidditch stuff.
If you guys can't find that store, it's connected to Weasley's Wizard Wheezes.
Oh, that's
like you walk through and there's a different store.
That's an easy way to find it. And we almost bought the ear, but we didn't, right? The ear that you can like talk through and stuff.
It was like $50.
I don't think it was quite that much, but everything is expensive, obviously.
Yeah.
So we had to narrow down like what we wanted most. I got my keychain and my postcards. I was good with that. Madison got her t-shirt. And we have, you know, our ice cream cups, which actually, these really came in handy because after Universal, we went to Disney for like 9 or 10 days. And we had our cereal in here in the morning. So that worked out really well. And that is everything that we got at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Universal. It was such a fun trip. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching the vlogs because they were really a lot of fun to share. And continue watching because all the Disney stuff is coming up soon and there's a lot of it. So I hope that you'll watch that. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And we'll see you guys really soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.